Hey everyone, it's Ryan, Marketing Manager at One Sightsolutions, and today I'm going to give you an overview of Tridium's Enterprise SMA service. If you manage medium to large Niagara integrations, you know how crucial it is to keep your software up to date. But managing multiple licenses, renewals and updates can be a real headache. That's where Tridium's Enterprise Software Maintenance Agreement, or ESMA for short, can provide you with significant benefits. ESMA makes your life easier, keeps your Niagara system secure, and helps you stay ahead of the curve. So let's dive in. The Niagara Framework's open distribution model has some big advantages, but it can also make managing software maintenance agreements a challenge, especially if you have multiple Niagara-based assets. Different licenses, different expiration dates, different vendors, it's a lot to keep track of. But what if you could wrap all your Niagara licenses into a single, easy-to-manage agreement? That's exactly what ESMA does. Instead of juggling multiple license renewal dates, ESMA lets you consolidate everything into one agreement with a single bill of materials that is easy to understand and process. That means one start date, one end date, and everything covered under one plan. Even expired licenses can be brought back into compliance and aligned with all the others. You can also save money and benefit from discounts and a generous grace period of up to 364 days when aligning your licenses. So, what do you actually get with an active ESMA? All-in-one license management. ESMA combines licenses from different manufacturers into a single agreement, even if some have expired. You ensure your site is kept up to date. Get access to the latest versions of Niagara, complete with performance enhancements and new features. Arguably the most important is the security patches and compliance. Keep your site protected against vulnerabilities and meet cybersecurity standards. At One Sightsolutions, we can give you the best customer support at every stage of your ESMA agreement. And lastly, you're future-proof. As technology evolves, ESMA ensures seamless upgrades without unexpected licensing costs. Now, with Niagara 5 on the horizon for 2026, having an active Enterprise SMA is more important than ever. If you're using Niagara 4, it will be essential for upgrading to N5 in the future. With Enterprise SMA, you can minimize costs and avoid compatibility issues when making the transition. If you're a Tridium integrator, facility manager or business owner, then ESMA isn't just an add-on. It's a must-have for anyone serious about keeping their Niagara-powered buildings running smoothly, simplifying your software management and minimizing downtime. And the best part for you is that we can manage the entire process. At One Sightsolutions, we handle your ESMA setup and management, ensuring that you stay up to date without the hassle. Plus, when you initially enroll, you can take advantage of a grace period of up to 364 days per license. Want to learn more or discuss the first steps of your ESMA enrollment? Contact our fantastic team at sales@onesight.solutions or through the link or phone number in the description. Thanks for watching.